There's just something about waking up on a Sunday morning to the smell of waffles. It's cozy, it's comforting, and for a lot of us here in the US, it's a little weekend tradition. But here's the thing, great waffles don't just happen. You need the right waffle maker to nail that crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside perfection. That's exactly what we're covering today. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, the channel that helps you find the best Amazon deals and smart home essentials. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 waffle makers for 2025. So whether you're feeding a family, cooking solo, or just want diner-style waffles at home, you'll find the perfect fit. All product links with today's best deals are listed in the description below. Now let's jump in. Number 5. Bella Classic Rotating Waffle Maker. If you're looking for a mix of style, performance, and flexibility, Bella has you covered. This rotating waffle maker gives you 9 browning settings, so you can customize your waffles from barely golden to extra crispy. The Cool Touch handle makes it safe to flip without burns, and the removable drip tray keeps cleanup simple. The compact design also means it won't hog your countertop space. Families love it for weekend brunch because it consistently makes fluffy, evenly cooked waffles without the mess. Number 4. Black Decker Flip Waffle Maker. Sometimes you just want something simple, reliable, and affordable. That's exactly what Black Decker delivers here. It makes 7-inch round Belgian-style waffles with a nice fluffy texture. The flip design ensures even cooking on both sides, and the ready indicator light takes the guesswork out. Plus, the handle lock helps prevent drips. If you're looking for an entry-level waffle maker that still produces great results without costing much, this one's a safe bet. Number 3. Presto Ceramic Flip-Side Belgian Waffle Maker. Now, this is for the serious waffle lovers. The Presto Flip-Side is known for its restaurant-quality Belgian waffles. With its 180-degree rotating base, it spreads batter evenly, creating that perfect crispy shell with a soft center. It makes one large 7-inch waffle divided into 4 easy-to-cut sections, perfect for sharing or stacking high with syrup and fruit. The ceramic nonstick plates wipe clean quickly, and when you're done, it locks upright for easy storage. If you want thick, golden waffles like the kind you get at diners, this is the one. Number 2. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. On the other end of the spectrum, we've got the Dash Mini. Small, fun, and incredibly easy to use, it's perfect for singles, students, or anyone with limited space. Just plug it in, wait for the light, pour your batter, and you're done. Despite its size, it delivers consistent golden waffles thanks to its non-stick surface. Plus, it comes in multiple colors, which makes it a fun gift. Best part? It's super affordable, but still a fan favorite with thousands of 5-star reviews. Number 1. Krups 4-Slice Belgian Waffle Maker. If you've got a family to feed or you just want more waffles at once, this is the powerhouse. The Krups makes 4 deep pocket Belgian waffles at a time. Its steam release system ensures crispy outsides with fluffy insides, so you're not serving soggy waffles. You also get 5 browning levels to suit everyone's preferences. Cleanup is stress-free thanks to removable, dishwasher-safe nonstick plates, and the stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that fits any modern kitchen. For households that want speed, consistency, and quality, this is the best all-around pick. So, which waffle maker fits your mornings best? Whether it's the compact Dash Mini, the professional-style Presto Flip, or the family-ready Krups, you really can't go wrong. Don't forget, all the Amazon best deals for these products are linked in the description below, so check them out before prices change. This has been Consumer Heaven, your go-to channel for smart shopping guides and product reviews. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more weekly buyer's guides. Thanks for watching and happy waffle making!